habits of excellence, habits of success, entrepreneurship, leadership and management, learning and development, and outlook, mindsets, attitudes. Hello world! Welcome to AskLouieB. You ask the questions, I'll give the answers. While you are learning about delivering virtual presentations, some of your clients may also be in the same learning curve. So, make it easy for them. Send complete information, meeting invites with video meeting links, IDs, passwords, and other login instructions, frequent mistakes that people have. Give them alternative numbers to call, your mobile phone number, so in case there are barriers to joining the video call. And to ensure that you can have a productive meeting in 30 minutes, 45 or 1 hour, send in advance the following files: presentations, documents, proposals, and more so, videos. Send them in advance so that the client in the account can review them, they can write their comments and questions, they can also share it to people within their own organizations to get feedback and to get buy-in. Especially videos, do not attempt to play them in the video call because my experience is that they may not play well given connectivity issues. One suggestion that I'm really passionate about is for us to use the power of our phones. Get your phone, video record you presenting the company, your product and service, with or without the benefits of slides flashed in your laptop or in your TV. Send that to the client so that they can review that in advance. And when you jump to the meeting proper, less presentations, more engagement, because the client may now start to ask questions. And you just provide answers and lead the discussion. Remember, since people's attention spans are shorter in virtual meetings, make meetings shorter and engaging. All thinking time, all viewing time, and all monologues are best done before the meeting. This is Louie Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.